If you need to cancel a pending transfer with Qatar National Bank Switzerland, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Access your Qatar National Bank Switzerland online banking account using your credentials. Make sure you are connected to a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once logged in, locate the Transfers or Payments section in the main menu. This is where you will find details of your pending transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. In the Transfers section, look for the list of pending transactions. Identify the specific transfer you wish to cancel by checking the details such as the amount and recipient. Step 4. Select the transfer to cancel. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. Choose the option to cancel the transfer. Follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. You may receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. If you follow these steps, you should be able to cancel your pending transfer without any issues. Always double-check your account for confirmation and reach out to customer support if you encounter any difficulties.